DENSO's goal is to be carbon neutral by 2035. To achieve this, we're building on our energy conversion expertise and expanding our decarbonization technologies. We're testing different methods of capturing and reusing CO2 from the atmosphere and from our operations. DENSO developed a prototype of a CO2 capture and storage device. The stored CO2 can be used for making carbon-neutral fuel, plastics, concrete, and more. We are also testing a CO2 circulation plant at our Anjo Electrification Innovation Center in Japan. The CO2 circulation plant captures CO2 generated by the plant and recycles it as an energy source for the facility. We are dedicated to creating a circular economy that does not increase our carbon footprint. By building on what we're doing today, DENSO is contributing to a better, greener world tomorrow.